As the cold, darkened nights kick in, the crave for warmth expands. Hats, gloves and scarves are purchased and worn by thousands. Cities, towns and areas begin to get busier and busier as the dash to buy that Christmas shopping is approaching. Behind me is the setup at Sunderland for this year's Sunderland City Lights, which we're about to get on the way very soon. Sound checks are just on the way now, and the crowds are starting to arrive to what promises to be an evening of great entertainment here at Sunderland. Last year's Christmas Switch-On event, which was held outside the Sunderland Civic Centre, attracted more than 10,000 people who gathered to watch the official light switch on, followed by a breathtaking fireworks display. This year, the event took place on the opposite side of the bridges. The event got underway with performances from the City Sings winning choirs, East Herriton Primary School and Eclipse Southmoor Secondary School Choir. The night carried on with a touch of rhythm and blues, with entertainment from the Revolutionaries.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Well, when dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on the clearing, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing and sing songs tonight. Ah, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
90s pop star Faye Tozer from the hugely popular award-winning group Steps later joined the Right Worshipful, the Mayor of Sunderland, Cllr Stuart Porthouse, and a star from the Empire Theatre's Christmas pantomime in putting that all-important lever to switch on Sunderland's Christmas lights. A breathtaking fireworks display described as the biggest in Sunderland yet brought the night to a close, which marked the official start to Christmas. As well as the city Christmas lights, Christmas in Sunderland is predicted to be the best yet, as a newly formed partnership between Sunderland Live, Sunderland City Council and Sunderland Business Investment District have confirmed that they'll be working together to deliver a diverse and packaged programme of Christmas activities.
We've got street entertainment but on Thursdays and Saturdays on the run up to Christmas, which is great. We've got lots of light themed activities and events, so people should look out for that. It means people can come out in the evenings and see Sunderland in different light. We've got some projections around the city. We've got some reindeer visiting the city again. We've got Santa will be coming at some point. We've got a couple of other events coming up, which if people go to the website they can check out all the details there, but we've got a fun packed programme on the run up to Christmas.
I mean, the shops is open on a Thursday, every Thursday night now till late, all the way up to Christmas. I think we've got free parking after 3 o'clock on Thursday, Friday, Saturdays and the weekends. So I mean, there's the opportunities there for people to come down and do some good shopping in the town. So I think they'll be very pleased with it. I think it's a great start at Christmas, I mean, isn't it? The turnout is fantastic, the fireworks is fantastic, and the entertainment we had on the stage, I think, is what everybody wanted.
It's clear to say that Sunderland have rolled out all the stops to try and make this year's Christmas period the best that the city has ever seen. Will it prove to be the best? Only time can tell. Mark Cram reporting from the Sunderland City Christmas Light Switch On in Sunderland.